The Department of Neuropsychology and Psychopharmacology is part of the Faculty of Psychology and Neuroscience. Neuropsychological research focuses on neurocognitive development, aging, and brain injury in a lifespan perspective. We develop training programs to improve memory and fluency of children, and behavioral intervention programs to improve motor control in Parkinson patients or coping styles of patients who suffer from traumatic brain injury. Psychopharmacology assesses cognitive and affective functions and how these are affected by psychoactive drugs, foods, and genetic disposition. We identify medicinal drugs that enhance memory function and profile behavioral toxicity of drugs of abuse. We also standardize tests for measuring and quantifying medicinal drug effects on driving. This research line strongly contributed to international legislation of driving under the influence of drugs and to regulatory guidelines and classifications. The department is also strongly involved in teaching and coordinates master and research master programs in neuropsychology and in drug development and neurohealth. The master programs offer perspectives for students to pursue careers in academic research, as a clinician and in industry. My name is Jan Ramakers and I am a professor in psychopharmacology and behavioral toxicology.